Mateo 24, versículo 7, porque se levantará nación contra nación y reino contra reino, y habrá pestilencias y hambres y terremotos por los lugares. Kahalal la Yahweh Bahasin Yahausa Bahasim Kakudash Barakati Yahweh Barakati Yahausa Barakati Yahweh Barakati Yahausa Barakati Yahweh Barakati Yahausa Tuwar Yahweh Bahasim Yahausa Bahasim Kakudash. Doy honor a los apóstoles, a los ancianos de Yasharala, Great Millstone. Shalom a los 144,000, shalom a los escogidos. Ok, esta es una actualización de Mateo 24, versículo 7. Ok, Mateo 24. Porque nación se está levantando otra nación, reino contra reino, y hoy hubo un terremoto en Afganistán. Vamos a ver eso. Hezbollah vuelve a disparar contra Israel, generando temores de un segundo frente. Hasta 1,200 muertos. Y el grupo militante libanés Hezbollah disparó el lunes más cohetes y artillería contra Israel en represalia por la muerte de 3 combatientes, generando temores de que se abra otro frente mientras las fuerzas israelíes combaten el grupo militante palestino Hamas. Okay. Y ahí te menciona el terremoto, mató más de 2,000 en Afganistán. Hoy están honrando el día indígena junto con el día de Colón. Chequea esto, los terremotos de Afganistán matan al menos a 2,000 personas. Potentes terremotos sacudieron al oeste de Afganistán durante el fin de semana, matando al menos a 2,000 personas y dejando a cientos más atrapadas o desaparecidas en uno de los terremotos más mortíferos que ha azotado la región en décadas. Ahora vamos a ver ese tema de Hezbollah, porque Hezbollah está basado en Lebanón. Y eso es profecía, ok. Habacuc Habacuc 2, capítulo 17. Habacuc capítulo 2, versículo 17. Salaki. Porque la rapiña del Líbano caerá sobre ti, y la destrucción de las fieras lo quebrantará a causa de las sangres humanas y del robo de la tierra, de las ciudades y de todos los que en ellas moraban. Yahweh Bahasim está hablando de Esaú, ok. Esaú, y en este caso el jefe de la casa de Esaú, que es Amalek, la gente que vive hoy en Israel. Yahweh Bahasim estamos viendo esas profecías, Mateo 24, que se están moviendo las cosas. Solo falta que Estados Unidos se involucre, que Rusia se involucre, que pase algo. Okay. Y esa tercera guerra mundial se va a desatar. Yo lo voy a dejar ahí. Si están escuchando en español, shalom. Matthew 24, verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilences and earthquakes in divers places. Hey man, that Matthew 24 is popping off lately, man. All right, these prophecies in Matthew 24 are coming to pass in much more rapid pace. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if fighting broke out in Kosovo, between Kosovo and what's that other country? In Serbia. Or fighting broke out, between North Korea, South Korea. There's a lot of countries in this world, man, that they secretly got beef with each other, man. Or openly, they got beef with each other. And a lot of shit has been happening, man. This is just a Matthew 24 update. All right, Hezbollah fires again at Israel, spurring fears of second front. The Lebanese militant group Hezbollah on Monday fired more rockets and artillery at Israel in retaliation for the deaths of 3 fighters, raising fears of another front opening as Israeli forces combat the Palestinian militant group Hamas. So Hezbollah saw, okay, shit is popping off in the south with Hamas, we gotta pop off too. They saw weakness and he pounced. All right, now you got this earthquake in Afghanistan, 2000, man. All right, and dumb Northern Kingdom celebrating. Actually, nah, they were just celebrating Indigenous Day next to Columbus Day. Now check out Afghanistan earthquake kills at least 2,000 people. Powerful earthquakes rocked western Afghanistan over the weekend, killing at least 2,000 people and leaving hundreds of others trapped or missing in one of the deadliest earthquakes to hit the region in decades. Powerful earthquakes. And these wars, these earthquakes, that sounds a lot like Matthew 24 to me. Got famines, either the people can't get food in many places. Got pestilences, all right? Had that corona recently, and then they say that shit is still going on. So this Matthew 24 is popping off, man. You gotta have your head in the sand if you don't see the writing on the wall. And that thing with Hezbollah, man, that's prophecy too, all right? Habakkuk 2, verse 17, for the violence of Lebanon shall cover thee, and the spoil of beasts, which made them afraid, because of men's blood, and for the violence of the land, of the city, and of all that dwell therein. So Hezbollah right there, the violence of Hezbollah is covering the land of Israel. All right, because of the blood that these Edomites have spilled, man. All right, and when we're talking about Edomites, we're talking about the head of the house of Esau, which is Amalek, all right, which are the people in Israel today. Even though you may have some real Israelites among them, all right, you got some actual Israelites among them, but that's mostly Amalek over there. All right, so that prophecy, this prophecy is coming to pass. You got the wars, the famines, the pestilences, the earthquakes. This shit is going on everywhere, man. So this is just a quick hit, Matthew 24 update. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna give all praise to Yahweh Bashem outside. Call halal. La Yahweh Bahasam Yahweh Bahasam Yahweh Barakati Yahweh, Barakati outside, Barakati Yahweh, Barakati outside, Barakati Yahweh, Barakati outside, the water, Yahweh Bashim outside, Bashim Kakodash. Double honors to the apostles, to the elders of Yasharala, Great Millstone. Shalom to the 144,000. Shalom to the elect. Abad Babal, Abad Kal Gawiyam, Abad Kal Adawamiam. Kwam Yasharala. Shalom.